Hi, I'm Swarupa Sail, course instructor for Geotechnical Engineering 1. In this presentation, we will find out what is stress history of soil and what is over-consolidation ratio, that is OCR. The fine-grained soil like silt and clay undergo consolidation under their own weight and also overburden pressure during the natural process of deposition. Overburden pressure is the pressure or stress imposed on a layer of soil or rock by the weight of soil layers on top of it. The process of consolidation may take place continuously due to frequent deposition of layers of soil. Sometimes even erosion or removal of overburden may also take place. Hence, clay soil deposits are subjected to different stresses and their stress history should be known. Here we can see that due to deposition of layers of soil, the bottom layer of soil will be subjected to more stress, and here the bottom layer may be subjected to less stress due to removal of top layers of the soil. Now we will find out what is over-consolidation ratio. It is defined as the highest stress experienced by soil divided by the current stress. So we can write OCR equal to maximum overburden effective stress divided by current overburden effective stress. Maximum overburden effective stress is denoted by sigma C dash and current overburden effective stress is denoted by sigma naught dash. Here we can see that there is a clay layer on top of which there is a glacier. Dotted line represents the midpoint of the clay layer and X is the depth at which the midpoint of the clay layer is located below the glacier. PC dash or sigma C dash is the maximum effective stress encountered by this mid clay layer. Ice ages usually come and go approximately every 20,000 years. So during an ice age, a large percentage of land is covered with glaciers, and these glaciers generate huge stresses on the soil which is below it. And when this load is removed, the clay layer will rebound. Earlier the depth was X, that is the midpoint of the clay layer was at a depth X when there was a glacier. But due to melting of the glacier, we can see that the clay layer has come down to a depth of Y. Effective stress after the load is removed is denoted as sigma naught dash, that is the current stress. And over consolidation ratio, we know that it is ratio of sigma C dash to sigma naught dash. When this glacier is melted, the stress on the soil is relieved. That means there is less stress. Hence, sigma C dash is greater than sigma naught dash. Now we will solve a problem in order to find over consolidation ratio. We are asked to find over consolidation ratio of the clay layer at the midpoint. The maximum stress that the soil was subjected to in the past is 150 kilonewton per square meter. So here the total thickness of clay layer is 10 meter and we will locate the midpoint of the clay layer, that is at distance 5 meter. Density of clay is given as 17 kilonewton per cubic meter. And we have to find what is over consolidation ratio, and past maximum stress is given as 150 kilonewton per square meter. That means this clay layer was subjected to a stress of 150 kilonewton per square meter, and that is the maximum stress to which it was subjected to. We know the formula to find over consolidation ratio, that is, it is the ratio of past maximum stress to present stress. We are given the value of past maximum stress as 150, and we need to know what is present stress in order to find OCR. So to find present stress at the midpoint of the clay layer, that is sigma naught dash, we will use formula gamma into H. Gamma is nothing but the unit weight of the soil. This is unit weight, that is 17, into depth of the soil is 5 meter, because we are trying to find the stress at the midpoint. So sigma naught dash is equal to gamma into H. So gamma is 17 and H is 5. So sigma naught dash is 85. So OCR will be 150 divided by present stress, that is 85, which will be equal to 1.76. In this problem also we are asked to find the over consolidation ratio of the clay layer at the midpoint. The maximum stress that the soil was subjected to in the past is again 150 kilonewton per square meter, and it is mentioned that the groundwater is at a depth of 3 meter below the ground surface. To find OCR, we will use formula past maximum stress divided by present stress. Past maximum stress is given as 150, and we need to find what is present stress. So present stress at the midpoint of the clay layer, that is sigma naught dash, is equal to gamma into H plus gamma submerged into H1. So here gamma is the unit weight of the soil above ground water. So above ground water unit weight is 17. So 17 into 3 meter plus gamma submerged is gamma saturated minus gamma W. We will consider gamma saturated as 17 and gamma W is 9.81. So when we calculate, we get sigma naught dash as equal to 65.4. So OCR is equal to 150 divided by 65.4, which is equal to 2.3. Thank you.